What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to put out a quick update video to show you where I'm at with a few things. First off, I wanted to start by saying thank you to any new subscribers. We just recently passed the 500 subscriber mark. Whether you're here for the Volkswagen content or because of my tire changer video, I do appreciate it. The tire changer sales have been going pretty good, so that's been keeping me extremely busy. It's pretty much been a full-time deal keeping up with the orders for the tire changers. I am moving things over, not completely all over, but I'm opening up my own website too, so you'll be able to get the tire changers from somewhere other than eBay. You can get them directly from me. Unfortunately, that hasn't been leaving much time to work on the Volkswagen project. I cleaned up the driveway in order to make a little bit more space so I can get back to working on the GTI again. I did finally get rid of the blue Mark III Golf parts car. parts off of it that I'll be able to use for my project car. Some of the things I got were these H&R eccentric camber bolts for the front struts. I got some poly control arm bushings for the front position of the control arms. I do have these already, but they'll be good for another project. I also got these ground control camber plates, which this part takes the place of the upper strut bearing and has a needle bearing around there. And then this, where your strut bolts through, actually has a spherical bearing inside of there. And then it's all solid where it's normally rubber, and it comes up from the inside and then bolts to the top with camber adjustment. I got these Autotech front strut bar base plates. I don't have the bar that goes across, but I have been looking for something like this for a while to do a sand casting, like melt my own aluminum and make a mold using these, and then cast some new base plates, get rid of the Autotech, and put my own bar across there. I did get an Autotech hollow rear sway bar, also the front lower tie bar for the front cross member, or the front engine cradle. And then I also got these ground control coilover sleeves. The Bilsteins that were in it were all no good, but I do actually, for the rears for the car, I do have some Y-Tech adjustable dampening coilovers, which I'm going to use for the car. But for the fronts, I don't have anything good. I do have a set of Bilsteins that are in okay condition, so I'm going to use them with the coilover sleeves and use that for the front position. I'm already kind of far behind on where I want to be at with the GTI. Being that I live in Florida, the racing season, the autocross season, starts up a lot earlier than in the Northeast. In Jersey, it was probably it was a summertime thing. It would be spring to summer, but being in Florida, I believe there's already been 3 races, and it's the beginning of April right now. So I definitely want to get my car up and running so I could start doing them. Also coming up this July, it'll officially be 3 years since I've had a running, driving Volkswagen. I sold my black Mark III 2.0 GTI right before we moved here, thinking that I was going to build up the red VR6 GTI that I had, which in turn ended up having to get scrapped because of a whole lot of rust problems. I'll have another tire changer video coming out pretty shortly. I just ordered some 2 brand new tires for the Volvo. They are 225/40 18-inch wheels. They're on a set of nicer wheels. They're on some OZ Super Turismos. So that's a good example of a wheel that I don't want to mess up when doing it, and I'll give you the whole rundown on start to finish on how to take a set of those off. So that's it for now. Once again, I want to say thank you to any new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. It keeps me motivated to make more videos. There'll be plenty of more Volkswagen content for this spring and summer, and of course I'll always be doing little videos of upgrades on things and things I'm building. Whoa, BMW not using a blinker. There's a surprise. Please check out the website. You can find it at lucidautowerks.com. I'll have mostly the things I'm building new, but every now and then I might put up some harder to find used parts, some, you know, aftermarket things, refurbished OEM stuff. But please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one.